Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife Artistry. If this is your first time seeing my videos, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming here. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly highlight and contour. Okay guys, so first of all I want you to let us know the reason why we highlight and the reason why we contour. So we highlight to brighten the under eyes, to like bring light or like brightness under the eyes, the places we highlight. Then the reason why we contour is to just sculpt the face, like give the face this like the shape. Everybody's face structure is different, so you contour to actually bring back the structure to the face. Because imagine when your contour is like in a different way, when you apply your foundation, that is going to go away. So contouring actually brings back the structure of the face. Okay guys, so if you want to highlight, you should place your highlighter, like your concealer, that is, you should not use a concealer that is too light, all the way from the inner corners of the eyes all the way to the outer part. I will advise you to, even if you are using an overly light shade of concealer, it should not be from the inner part all the way to the outer part. There should be like an overly light shade in the inner corners of the eyes to help brighten that place. Then towards the outer part of the eyes, there should be a concealer shade that is closer to the skin, like closer to your foundation, because like it's going to help you transition these concealers into the foundations without any demarcation or any harsh line. Okay guys, so another thing I'm going to advise you is not to use concealer that is way too thick. Do not use concealers that are too thick for you to blend. It's going to really be a mess when you are trying to blend it out and it's really very thick and it's not blending. Please do not use concealers that are too thick. Rather use creamy based concealers. Creamy based concealers can be easy for you to blend without any issues. Even if you place them there, even if they dry up a little bit, just topping and touching it is going to help you blend it. Like, it's going to be easy for you to blend. It will blend easily into your foundation without any demarcation, without any harsh line. It will be easy for you to do that. Okay guys, another thing I'm going to talk about now is, do not use a very thick beauty blender. Do not use any beauty blender that you didn't dump into the water. Do not use any beauty blender that is thick. There are some bad beauty blenders out there. Do not use any beauty blender that is not soft. You should dump it into the water and make sure it's soft. Make sure it's a good brand. It's going to really help you with blending. It's really going to help you a lot with blending, because if you don't do that and you're using beauty blender that is too thick, it's really going to make you have patches all over and everywhere. Rather, I'm going to advise you to use a very soft beauty blender. Use beauty blenders that are so soft, that are so like good brands. Like, they are going to really be easy. Even when, if your concealer is even like creamy and all that and your beauty blender is not good, it's still going to give you a very rough blending. So make sure your beauty blenders are so good. It's going to just push product on the skin and not really take them out. When your beauty blender is strong, they are just going to like leave patches and everything. So please, a good beauty blender is way to go. It's going to really help you out with your blending. Okay guys, so another thing is, do not apply too many concealers under the eyes. Please avoid applying too many concealers under the eyes. When you apply too many concealer under the eyes, it's going to make your concealer cake. It's going to make your under eyes cake. It will start breaking when you want to like blend it and set. Rather, go in with just little product under the eyes. When you go, like, I mean, not just under the eyes, like everywhere you are highlighting, even everywhere, do not go with so many. Like, do not try to like pack so many, especially very thick ones. Please go with little products. When you go with little products, it will be easy for you to blend it out. Like, it will be easy for you when you finish your blending. Everything is going to be good. Like, it's going to be this seamless and everything is going to be beautiful and nice. No caking at all. Okay guys, so before you begin to contour the face, it is very important for you to know the person's face structure. Know how the structure of the person's face, the structure of the person's face is. So you see the way I just like moved in and then come out to her temple, and I'm going to move up again. That is the face structure of this my client. So you should know the person's face structure, because when you know their face structure, you will be able to know how you place the contour so that you can structure very. Because imagine when you are giving somebody structure of the face that is not the person's own, like somebody that have lived this four corner kind of like face look, and we are trying to make the person's face round, like that's not going to fit the person. So give the person person's face structure, how the hairline is, please go with your contour on that area as well. It's really going to help you out. Okay guys, so another point I'm going to talk about is do not place a contour shade that is too darker than the person's skin tone. Please, it's going to be a mess. Do not place a contour shade that is too dark. Do not use contour shade that are at least 2 shades darker, a shade darker, 3 shades darker is fine. Honestly, do not go with something that is too dark because you want to contour, because you want to structure. That is really going to be a mess. Number one, is going to make the person look really like, I don't know if I'm going to say, oh, this is going to make the person look funny. Please use a contour shade that is at least 3 shades darker. That is how far you should go, and then we are good. Even 3 shades darker, you have to make sure you blend very, very well to make sure you blend it out. Again guys, please do not place contour shades that are like, do not overplace contour. Like, do not put on product that will be very difficult for you to blend when you are placing your contour. That is why when I place my contour, like, I take it easy. Like, when I place the product, I blend out immediately. When I place the product, I blend out immediately. I don't go ahead and place products everywhere, because like at the end of the day it might start mixing with your highlights. So just place product that you understand, you know what you are doing. Place it one step at a time. When you place, you blend, and make sure you are not placing too much. At least that way it's going to help you out in blending out, because blending it out after placement is the key actually. Okay guys, so there's another point, even though I didn't really remember to record it here. Please, another thing that you're going to really pay attention to is this. When you're placing your contour, please, on your cheekbone, make sure you blend upwards. Please do not bring your contour down. Do not bring your contour down. When you're placing your contour, please place it above the ear line towards your mouth and blend it from that place. Do not bring your contour below your ears or downwards. That place should be the space of your low lights, please, so that your contour should not really be everywhere down. Like, please, you should really, but in another video, I believe I'm going to make another video and show that very, very well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.